out for a bike ride. I went west along the Ohio River in Kentucky. Headwind the entire time. I'm like, well, at least I'll have a nice tailwind on the way back. I've crossed the river back into Ohio, not moving east along the Ohio River, and somehow I'm still in a headwind. I'm at 60 miles with at least 13 to get home, but I want to hit 80, so we'll see what happens. Brutal looking. Storm warnings. Looks like it's going to blow past me. I was gambling, or am gambling, on whether or not I can get in and out. The Weather Channel says to be prepared to take shelter. Got thunder, but it's going the opposite direction. Well, we're in it now. Well, I pushed my luck as much as I want. About 83 miles is going to be it. Dang flat tire. But I'm real close to where I'm headed, so I'm just going to push it and fix it later. Because I'm pretty sure it's about to downpour. About 83 miles. I don't know what the elevation was, but I hit some hills on purpose, so we'll see. Like and subscribe. Follow along. I felt rain.